Welcome to Top Informer channel. In this video we are talking about 10 ways to make money online in 2022. There has never been a better time where you can make money online from home or anywhere you want with just an internet connection. But do you also wish to work from home without making any investments? There are numerous money-making options that pay you well so that you can take care of your bills and some other extra expenses. Here are the best ways to make money online. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Create a website and allow companies to put their web links on your site, and when the visitors on your website buy their products, you will get a commission for that. For a couple of years, the popularity of affiliate marketing has risen immensely. You can also become an affiliate marketer on other websites as well, such as Amazon, Shopify, Uber, etc. All you need to do is promote other brands, but while choosing the products, make sure you select the niche that you have knowledge about. Number 2. Dropshipping. In dropshipping, you sell products to your customers, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product to the customer and keep a percentage of the amount for every sale. This is an excellent way of making money online as it is proliferating, and people are earning massive amounts from this weekly. Number 3. Online tutor. If you have teaching skills and good knowledge of a particular subject, online tutoring can be the best option. You can either set up your own tutoring service online or can work for any other platform as a teacher. In addition, there are various reliable apps where you can apply for a job, such as Byju's, Udemy, Whitehat Junior, Vedantu, and many more. Number 4. Web designing. If you possess skills, why not make it your profession, as not all businessmen are tech-savvy. They need people to create a website for their business. You can help small businesses set up their website as per their requirements and earn a handsome amount of money through it. You can either start your own web designing work or can also work as a freelancer for others. Number 5. Sell your photos. If you have photo skills or just love clicking pictures, you can monetize this passion in numerous ways. There are numerous money-making apps related to photography to sell your photos and get a good amount in return. There are stock photography sites where you can upload your pictures for free, and prominent magazine editors, designers, or any organization with a website can buy them if they like them. Number 6. Content writing. You can get thousands of jobs as a content writer because its demand is increasing tremendously. You would be amazed to know that there are more than 1.5 billion websites on the internet. People need more and more writers because every website requires a content writer who can write website content, blogs, and articles for them. Number 7. Start your own website. There is a lot of content available online that can help you put together a website. Money making from websites is one of the best ways to earn money even while you sleep. Starting a website just takes a couple of minutes and costs hardly anything. First, you need to choose the domain, templates, layout, and then the overall design for your website. Number 8. Sell your clothes online. Almost all of us have clothes that we are bored of or don't like anymore. So, here is great news for you: sell the clothes online that you don't use anymore. Instead of letting them take space in your closet, sell them and earn a good amount of money from it. There are a lot of websites, such as eBay, ThreadUp, Poshmark, etc., which are all reliable and help you earn decent money in exchange for your old or used products. Number 9. Blogging. Creating a blog is one of the best and oldest methods of making money from home. For many bloggers, it started as a hobby and passion. Later, it became an excellent career option. People who live writing start blogs focusing on a particular niche such as cars, technology, traveling, cooking. You can create a blog in 2 ways. One is by creating it via WordPress EE Tumblr, and the second method is by opting for a self-hosted blog, and this method needs no investment. Number 10. Launch a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTuber? Nowadays, you can film unboxing videos, product tutorials, and funny skits with nothing but your smartphone. And it doesn't cost anything to set up your YouTube channel. By signing into YouTube using your Google account, you can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. That was all about the video. See you soon. Goodbye.